Question 1. Which inventor is credited with creating the first practical incandescent light bulb in 1879? The answer is B. While others experimented with light, Thomas Edison created the first commercially viable incandescent light bulb using a carbon filament. Question 2. The World Wide Web was invented by which British computer scientist in 1989? The answer is C. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web while working at CERN to help scientists share information easily. Question 3. Which medical breakthrough was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928? The answer is B. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, the world's first true antibiotic, after noticing mold-killing bacteria in a petri dish. Question 4. Which invention by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century sparked a revolution in communication? The answer is C. Gutenberg's printing press allowed for the mass production of books, drastically increasing literacy rates across Europe. Question 5. What did Wilbur and Orville Wright achieve for the first time in 1903? The answer is B. The Wright brothers made history at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, with the first successful flight of a powered, heavier-than-air machine. Question 6. Who is the inventor widely recognized for the invention of the telephone? The answer is C. Alexander Graham Bell was awarded the first U.S. patent for the telephone in 1876. Question 7. Which invention is primarily associated with the development of the internal combustion engine? The answer is A. The internal combustion engine became the primary power source for the automobile, fundamentally changing global transportation. Question 8. In 1895, Wilhelm Röntgen discovered a type of electromagnetic radiation known as. The answer is B. Röntgen discovered X-rays, which allowed doctors to see inside the human body without surgery for the first time. Question 9. What major invention did James Watt significantly improve, sparking the Industrial Revolution? The answer is B. James Watt's improvements to the steam engine made it efficient enough to power factories, trains, and ships. Question 10. Which inventor developed the alternating current, AC, electrical system? The answer is B. Nikola Tesla championed the AC electrical system, which allowed for the efficient transmission of power over long distances.